Hi, I'm Leanne, and I was sent this heated eyelash curler in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about it. The eyelash curler comes in this little gray carrying case, and it also comes with a charger. To turn it on, you press the button, and when that pink strip turns all the way white, then that means it's fully heated. So here I've turned it on, and I'm just waiting for it to power all the way up. You can see that that strip is turning all the way clear, and that means it's ready to use. There's a panel on the back, and you flip that down to get that clamping control. So when you press that up and down, that's what's going to make your eyelash curl. After I turn it on, I'm waiting for that pink strip to turn clear, and that means it's heated. Here's my lashes before using, and then once it's heated up, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my lash to curl it. When it finishes curling, it'll give a little beep sound, and then you know you're done. So here's a look at my lash after I curl it. And now I'm going to do the other side the exact same way. It does a really good job of grabbing all of my lashes at one time, and I'm holding that firm until it beeps. I'm definitely getting a lot more lift here on my lashes than I had previously. Now I'm just going to apply my mascara to really maximize that effect. I was happy with the finished product of my eyelashes after I curled them and put on my mascara. I feel like I went from looking pretty sleepy to looking wide awake with my lashes very visible. That's my before on the left with my after on the right. I thought this product was very easy to use, and it definitely amplified my natural eyelashes, so I like it and I recommend it.